already
Thunder,
sit.
sit. Nola, sit. Nola, sit.
Why are you going to the airport?
Sit.
Flying somewhere?
Stay. Stay.
Oh, I saw your
Stay.
You
Come.
want to notice the airline ticket I put two and two together.
Sit. Sit.
So where are you headed?
Good boy, Dozer.
Nola.
Good boy, Thunder. No teeth.
California.
No teeth.
Beautiful.
Sit. Slate, sit. Nola, sit.
Name's Christmas.
Slate. Sit.
Boy Christmas.
Sit. Good boy. Good girl, Nola.
This is my
The
real
biggest
job,
trip
you know.
that we ever did on the boat was 70
My
miles in
friend
one
Harry
day.
and I are
Shake.
saving up our
And that was when we
Shake.
went up to Indian River with the
That's nice.
for breakfast.
Shake.
All four of
I
us.
got worms.
Slate, shake.
How much?
Shake.
70 miles.
That's what we're gonna
That's a good
do. I
distance.
got worms.
Thunder, sit.
Did we bring? We didn't bring the dogs. when we
Thunder,
did that,
sit.
did we?
You know,
That's the
like
day I
the
fell
worms.
asleep in the boat.
Recording. Shake.
Oh.
What's the matter?
It's alright. It's part of the story now.
It's about the
Thunder,
flight.
sit. You and Slate need to shake.
There's
Shake.
really nothing to worry about, Mary. Statistically, they say you're more likely to get killed on the
He was
way
trying to
Shake.
shake.
You know, like in a head-on crash or flying off a cliff or
No
getting
teeth.
trapped under a gas
Hey,
truck.
no
That's the
teeth.
worst. I have this cousin. Well,
Okay, we're done. The puppies.
Boy, could you keep your eyes on the road, please?
Slate, you're sitting between my legs.
Good thing.
That's like what he does.
That's his
Yeah,
trick.
be
He's
careful.
my friend.
A lot of bad drivers out there.
You're so patient.
You bang.